Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use sales stories to create videos that sell. Okay, now this is where the magic happens. To create your first story, just click on the Create Story button or click Story Creator in the menu on the left. You can do this from your computer or phone to literally create stories wherever you are, like in your car while you're waiting to pick up your kids from school or on your morning walk. Now you have to make a decision. Do you have a video you want to upload that you've already recorded, or would you like to record a video within the app? Or if you'd like, you can use a stock video. I prefer recording a video with my phone so I can easily edit it within the phone and then upload it, but it's up to you. In this tutorial, I'm going to choose Upload Video and I'm going to choose a video to load from my files. Now I just click Save. Once you see your video, click on it. You can add more than one video to create a series of stories similar to Instagram. Now you just click Next Step on the bottom right. Here's the impactful part. You can add text, buttons, links, media, and responses to personalize your story here. Click Text to add any text you'd like. You can have it be personalized to the recipient or about the topic. Just type it into the text field, choose your font and font size, and you can even pick the color of the font and background color if you need it to pop more. You can also alter the dimensions and move the text by grabbing and pulling the corners. Great videos need a strong call to action. This is where you can use the buttons. Want them to download a PDF or purchase directly? Just enter your call to action in the text box, then change the color, font, etc. like you did previously for the text, and then add a link to any URL you want them to visit. This can be your online shop, your website, or a link to download a document. It's that easy. And you can even add more than one button. Do you want them to make an appointment with you? Just use the calendar button, similar to the previous. Add the text, link to your calendar app like Calendly, and voila, you're done. Maybe you want to take a poll or provide multiple options that they can choose from. In this case, use the multiple choice button. Here you can add text and attach a separate URL link to each button. The options are endless. Sometimes there's a need to place additional media on the screen. This can be used to show a product or to do a picture-in-picture demo. In this case, just click on the image, video, or stock image that you'd like to place on top of your story. Then you can resize it or move it. Everyone has a preferred communication style, and the response tool lets you choose how you'll allow your viewer to respond back to you. You can choose text, voice, or video, or all three. Just add the text you want and click on the response type you want. When they respond back to you, you'll find it in your dashboard. You can preview your story to make sure it's exactly the way you want it, and once you feel comfortable with it, click Next Step at the bottom. Give your story a name. We recommend using terms that are searchable so you can find it later in your library. Now, if you haven't already, you can go into the Customers tab on the left and add in all of your customer data to your viewers. If you've already done that, they'll show up in your Choose Recipients tab on this page. Just click who you want to send your story to and click Next Step. Just choose how you want to send your story, whether it be email, text, or you can copy a link and send it any other way, such as in an email. Enter in a message and your signature, but before you click send, decide if you would like to password protect your story. If so, just assign a password and share it with your customer so they can view the story. Would you like to be notified when someone responds to your story? Click Toggle Notifications to activate notifications. That's it. Click Send to All. Do you want to make stories like this one more often? If so, click Make Template at the top, and this story will be stored in your Templates folder. Then you can just edit text, buttons, etc. to make it even easier the next time around. Once you start getting responses, you can view the actions taken in the Responses tab on the left. That's it. We're always working to make sales stories even better, so please let us know your thoughts at hello@salesstories.co.